Guys, this is Alex. I'm here today to show one more open source project that I'm working on, and this time it's a project about big data, more specifically Lambda Architecture. And today I'm going to walk you through this project, and if you are interested in big data and how to build your big data pipeline, this project can be very helpful for you. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you everything that you need to start to play with this project and with big data. Okay, so this is the project, this is the GitHub project, and it will be in the description. So basically, what is this project? So we are here simulating some IoT project basically. So it's gonna be a vehicle that will be sending location data to our Kafka Connect, and then we will be sending to the Spark, and where we will be processing and building all those reports that we need. But in the same time, we're gonna be saving all this data in a Hadoop cluster where we can perform later batch process using Spark as well. And the beauty of the using Spark in the Lambda architecture is because then you can use the same code base to process real time and batch layer. So this it's a bit introduced about what is the project, but I'll talk a little bit more about Lambda architecture. You can find on the internet more in-depth explanation, but Lambda architecture is basically the approach that we use to combine real-time data, where they call the speed layer, and also batch processing, called batch layer. And you have another layer that it's called serving layer, where it's responsible for combine both real-time processing and batch processing, and show a report combining both processing. So why use Lambda architecture is basically I think the main reason is to avoid human mistakes. So let's say real-time data, if you introduce something wrong on this calculation, you definitely lost and the opportunity to build a report, because you not have that data again. So that's why you keep the data to a later process usually in a Hadoop HDFS or S3, whatever. And so here we are using Kafka, we are using Spark, we're using Hadoop, we are using Cassandra to restore our database, and also we are using a Spring. Okay, I also wrote a bit about this project, and we're gonna find more details about the project, so you can get a bit better there. But just a quick explanation here in the end. So this project, it's basically saving real-time IoT data events coming from connected vehicles, then ingesting to Spark through Kafka. Using the Spark Stream API, we processed and analyzed IoT data and transforming them into vehicle count in different type of vehicle in different routes, while simultaneously the data is also stored in a HDFS for batching process, everything that I just explained to you. So we are performing a series of stateless and stateful transformation using Spark streaming and persisting them in Cassandra tables. So then we have a front-end dashboard that using Spring Boot, Socket, and Bootstrap. You're gonna see all those things. So in the next video, we're gonna see how we can have the entire application run in our laptop. You're gonna see how easy it is. So with few commands, you're gonna have everything running and ready to us to play and have fun. See you.